It wasn't my intention, but you got my attention with everything you.
Morning, guys. Just woke up. Gonna be trying this one. So let's see how it tastes. I never have had this type of drink before, so let's see. Not too bad. Pretty good. It's espresso, so hopefully it gives me a lot of energy because I'm tired. So, gonna leave. Got back and shoulders to do this morning. And I feel like I might need this one and the other one that I showed you guys. But I will see you guys in a few when I show you guys the workout and when I get done. So, see you guys in a few.
Unsteady, a little unsteady. Hold on to me, 'cause I'm a little unsteady, a little unsteady. Mama, come here, approach, appear. Daddy, I'm alone, 'cause this house don't feel like home. If you love me, don't let go. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Morning comes and you know that you wanna stay. Close the blinds, let's pretend that the time has changed. Keep our clothes on the floor, open up champagne. Let's continue tonight, come on, celebrate. That's how we do. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down, we don't have to go out. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now, we don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my duck off the crib, the spot, the pad. But my house is your house if you throwing it back. Excuse me if my home draining is sad. So
This is how it looks if I record through the facing camera. Not pretty. Really annoyed that it cracked this bad. But that's life, so I gotta order me a new screen replacement. And Hannah wasn't put it in for me, so yeah, it sucks. I can still record using this phone. I just have to, instead of having the phone screen facing me, it's gotta face the opposite side. So I gotta use the back camera instead of the front camera because the front camera's messed up. So the back one's still good. Getting it fixed here shortly because my boyfriend's friend works at a AT&T, so he knows how to fix stuff like that. So does my boyfriend, so hopefully it will be fixed soon. It is pretty bad, but I am gonna go cook me some breakfast and talk to you guys when it's done. Guys, I'm gonna actually try this one as well. Let's give it a shot. It smells good, so let's hope it tastes good. That is good. It's just black coffee with sweetened, and it's sweetened. That's not bad. It's only 60 calories and 14 grams of carbs, 1 gram protein, and 14 grams 11 grams of sugar, so it's not that bad, and it's premium coffee beverage and medium roast, so it's pretty tasty. I get to eat. Here's the final product. Got 2 sunny side up eggs, then got me 3 ounces of Sara Lee, Sara Lee I think it is, turkey sausage, and then of course my coffee. So enjoy this and then start editing. So I will talk to you guys when I make my lunch. I made my lunch. Got some turkey chili. Gonna enjoy this. Gotta get ready for a walk. I gotta go in at 4 tonight instead of 5:15. So I'm gonna enjoy this, edit a little bit, and then make my dinner and take it with me. So I will talk to you guys in a few. I have my old iPhone. I'm just gonna start vlogging on this and hopefully be able to do my workouts as well on here until I get this sad thing fixed. But yeah, hopefully you guys will be okay with me using this camera, so let's hope I can get it uploaded. But I will talk to you guys in a few. To head out, didn't show you guys what I am bringing with me, but I got me some brown rice, got me some salmon, 6 ounces, and bought some cheese wedges, some fruity peppers. I had enough carbs for it for today. And then got me some salad with light Italian dressing. Making that. Probably some tuna in the packet, maybe. And also bringing me my ISO Pure 100, not ISO Pure 100, ISO Pure 40 grams of protein, the fruit punch one. Excuse me, Slash. So, bringing that with me, some gum, probably some Red Hots, like the Giant Red Hots, because my throat has just been killing me. I think because I'm so stressed out, sick, my phone cracking on me. So that's always fun. And then I gotta go to work at 4 instead of 5:15. So I'm pretty exhausted. But tomorrow I'm off. Thursday, Friday I'm off. But it's wedding stuff and I can't wait to do that. Getting our nails done tomorrow. So I'll make sure that I show you guys what I do. Getting my eyebrows done, my nails done. So this is going to be some fun stuff, but I am rambling on. I need to get my work clothes on so I can go. So I will talk to you guys when I can. Hey guys, finally made it home early too. So I'm pretty happy about that. Going to get my editing done so I can get it ready, the vlog ready for tomorrow. But it was a good day, besides what happened with my phone. But other than that, a good day. So I don't like how I have to do this angle like this. My hand gets in the way, but hopefully I get my phone fixed soon. And I've been looking at buying actual camera, so instead of having to keep using my phone, I can use a camera. So I'm going to be doing that, and I feel like I am also going to make more recipes for you guys as well. And yeah, make some brownies, gluten brownies, some awesome. I got a whole list of recipes I want to make for you guys and review. So I am excited about that, but I am rambling. I want to get going so I can get this vlog edited and catch up on some of my shows and get to bed. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the morning. Another successful low carb day. They're pretty good. Tummy is still looking good. You can't really see it because I have my angle of my camera is not very good, but hopefully you saw some progress. So yeah, I'm rambling on now. Let me go get my comfortable clothes on because my arms are killing me and I just want to get in my comfy clothes and lay down and edit. So we'll see you guys in the morning for biceps and triceps. Going to my R2 gym instead of LA. So see you guys in the morning. You guys have an amazing night. Make sure you like and subscribe, and somewhere up here will be the subscription where you can just click it and you can subscribe. So see you guys in the morning. You guys having a great night.